Welcome to another Pronto Pointer tutorial. Today, we're going to show you how to customize your Pronto account and change your preferences. Let's get started. To set your own preferences, go to My Account. Then select Preferences. Once you're on the Preferences page, you'll see here in the options that you can set a default shipping address. Just click the box, find the address you want to use, and then click Save. Next, I want to show you how to change your unit of measure for products. If your projects typically have you ordering materials using specs like feet or pounds, this setting will make it easier to shop using the same unit of measure. To change a unit of measure for a product, just scroll down and find the shape you're looking for. We'll use channel products. Click the unit of measure box and select the unit you want to use. Clicking Save ensures Pronto will remember your unit preferences next time. However, if you want Pronto to remember the default shipping address you selected, you will need to finish generating a quote or place an order. Let's go ahead and hop over to the cart page to see your updated unit of measure and quote. Once you're on the cart page, you can see that the item's price unit of measure has changed to reflect your preference. Pronto will default to this unit of measure for these products next time. Since I also want Pronto to remember my selected Ship To address, I'm going to click Save Quote for later. If you're ready to place an order, you can click Proceed to checkout. This will also save your selected Ship To address preferences for next time. Your default Ship To address has now been saved. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this useful, and we'll see you back here for another Pronto Pointer soon.